morning everyone. Today is day 17 of the plank challenge, and just like yesterday we are going to be holding the plank for 2 whole minutes, just so that our body can get a bit accustomed to it, so that we can move further with greater ease. And the warm up, planks and the cool down will be the exact same as yesterday. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's warm up. Just like we had done yesterday, spread your legs wide, approx 3 to 4 feet depending on your height. Make sure your feet are facing outward. Now open your hands wide. While doing this, you should really spread your chest. And when you go down, like this, and when you raise, you should spread, you should feel your back stretching. Come up and round. When you go down, bend from your waist and make sure you bend your knees a little. Do not hurt yourself. And go down and up. Keep breathing. Down and up. One last time. Down and stop midway. Now sit down like this. Nice. Make sure your feet are facing outwards. Now push your palms into your thigh and push one of your shoulders down like this. You should feel the stretch. Once more. Okay, now walk your feet in slowly and up. Okay, now let's do some waist rotations, clockwise and anti-clockwise, 5 each. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anti-clockwise, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now bring your hands forward, wrist rotations, 5 outside, 5 inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now in and out, 3 each. 1, 2, 3. Now we had done all the planks yesterday, but still here's the challenge chart. Just see it once. Now let's start. Once again, the timer is set for 2 minutes and 10 seconds, but the timer is set there only for the convenience. Okay, it is not for you to keep looking while doing the plank. As I told in the intro video, the correct posture includes you looking down. Okay, gaze down at a 90-degree angle, not up at the floor. Okay, so the timer is not there for you to see while you plank. I have set the timer. I'm with you through the whole time, and I'll tell you when the timer is over. Okay, so don't look at me or at the timer. We'll start with the basic plank for 30 seconds. And up. Keep breathing in and out. Don't look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Rock it. Easy. Just go forward and backward. Forward and backward. Your hands should not move. And change. Come into the high plank. Make sure your posture is correct. You do not want to hurt yourself. Keep breathing. Don't quit. If you feel like giving up, just if you want, go into a Modified plant. Now rock it. Easy. You don't have to go too fast. Just go at a medium pace, or if you want, you can go slow also. And knee taps. You can do this from the basic plank also. And we're done. Rise up and go into child's pose. Stretch your hands forward. Breathe in and breathe out. And up. Okay. Let's cool down. First, let's do some ankle rotations. 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other foot clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now raise your right hand up and stretch it towards the left side. You should really feel the stretch on the right side of your body. Other hand. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale as you stretch. Once more. And up. Okay. Wrist rotations. 5 outside, 5 inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clasp your wrist. Inhale and exhale. Once more. Inhale and exhale. Other hand. Inhale and exhale. Once more. Inhale and exhale. Now neck rotations. 3 clockwise, 3 anti-clockwise. Okay. Close your eyes. Keep breathing. 1. Don't go fast. 2, 3 anti-clockwise. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes slowly. Shoulder rotations. 5 back, 5 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now deep breaths. Go down. Breathe. Inhale really in. Okay, you should really fill it in and then exhale out. Go down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So that's it for today. You did the 2 minutes 2 times. That's amazing. See you tomorrow at 6 a.m. Stay tuned and thank you.